time travel might already be possible. Right now, you are technically seeing the past, and according to physics, a human could travel into the future. But the moment we try to go backward, reality itself begins to break. Every second, light is traveling across the universe, and light is not instant. It takes time to move, which means when you look at something far away, you are not seeing it as it is now. You are seeing it as it was. The sun you see in the sky is actually the sun from 8 minutes ago. If the sun disappeared right now, humanity would not know for 8 minutes, because that is how long the light needs to reach Earth. Now imagine a star that is 1,000 light years away. The light reaching us today left that star 1,000 years ago, meaning telescopes are basically machines that look into the past. But here is where things become terrifying. Imagine placing a giant mirror somewhere deep in space, not thousands, but trillions of kilometers away from Earth. A mirror so massive it could reflect light from our planet. Then imagine using a telescope more powerful than anything humanity has ever built, powerful enough to zoom into that reflected light. Theoretically, you could watch Earth's past, ancient civilizations, dinosaurs, wars, or even yourself from years ago, not because you traveled through time, but because old light never truly disappears. The universe still carries it, but traveling into the future may actually be possible. According to Albert Einstein, gravity does not just bend space, it bends time itself. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. Near objects like black holes or neutron stars, gravity becomes so powerful, time itself slows down. This is called gravitational time dilation, and this is not science fiction. It is real physics. Even GPS satellites experience tiny differences in time because of gravity. Now, imagine a human going near a black hole. For them, maybe only a few hours pass. But back on Earth, years could pass. When they return, everyone they knew could be older. Cities could change. Entire generations could disappear. For Earth, they traveled into the future. This idea was shown in Interstellar. But what makes it terrifying is that physics says it might actually work. But traveling backward through time creates a problem the universe may never allow. Paradoxes. The most famous one is the grandfather paradox. Imagine traveling back in time and preventing your grandfather from meeting your grandmother. Then your parents are never born, which means you are never born. But if you were never born, who travel back in time? Another one is the bootstrap paradox. Imagine your future self gives you the blueprint for a time machine. You build it. Then later, you travel back and give the same blueprint to your younger self. But then, who created the blueprint originally? The information exists without ever being created. The deeper humans study time, the more terrifying it becomes. Because maybe time is not something meant to be controlled. Maybe it is the one law humans can never escape. We can observe the past. We may even travel into the future. But the moment we try to rewrite what already happened, reality itself stops making sense.